Hey guys, I'm Heather, career strategist from Champ America. Welcome to my channel. I am a finance professional who spent over 10 years working at major Wall Street firms in New York City, including Goldman Sachs and JP Morgan. I'm passionate about career development, job search, and international student strategies. Today, I want to spend some time talking about cover letters. A lot of people feel pretty lost when it comes to cover letters. How long should it be? What do you say on them? And bottom line, does anyone even read it? So first, do people read your cover letters? I spoke to hiring managers and HR professionals in many different industries. The answer is some do and some don't. However, there are jobs that are, say, cover letter required, so you should always have a good cover letter in your back pocket for those jobs. Also, I feel that a good cover letter could be the foundation of a good networking email. You know how sometimes you want to send a networking message but don't know what to say? And worse yet, some of you use the generic message provided by, say, LinkedIn. Let me show you a few examples of what I'm talking about. See if it looks like your networking message. Hi Heather, excited to be matched with you for career advice. Looking forward to getting your guidance and benefiting from your expertise in finance. Let me know when you're available to chat. Thanks in advance, name. Every day I receive messages like this. In peak recruiting season, some days I receive 5 or more of these messages per day. Same exact message, just a different name. And unfortunately, most people on the receiving end of these messages won't have time to go through your profile and figure out who you are and how to help you. And this could very well be one of the reasons why people don't reply to you. So today I'm going to show you a really easy way to write a professional but effective cover letter. And then how you can use that to come up with a networking message. So there are 4 important things you should remember when you write cover letters. Keep it short, keep it simple, offer your value, and customize your letters. And I'll explain them with real examples. So let's talk about keeping it short first. The most common mistakes that people make is that their cover letter is way too long. A professional communication is about clarity and efficiency. So a good cover letter should be a standard letter format. There should be a signature field. It shouldn't exceed 3 to 4 paragraphs. And everything must be kept on 1 page. Number 2, keep it simple. By that I mean avoid using unnecessary flattery or complicated language, especially if English is not your native language. You love the company that you're applying for. We get it. But it doesn't mean you should spend all your time telling them how great this company is. Lavish flattery doesn't offer any insight on who you are. Worse yet, it could expose your lack of industry knowledge. Take a look at this example. This is someone who's trying to apply for a position at Citigroup. I'm not going to read this whole email, but you could tell this person is trying very hard to tell the recruiter how great Citigroup is. Unfortunately, this little paragraph is filled with grammatical errors and awkward phrases. So, don't waste your time. Let's focus on telling them who you are and why you're a good fit, which brings to my 3rd point. Offer your value. Tell them what you can bring to the table. To do that, read the job description completely and carefully. Pick out the keywords that the company is looking for and include in your self-description. Don't provide excessive details. Some people wrote the 8 steps they took to complete a stats project. Don't write irrelevant things. Your CFA might be nice for a finance job, might not be relevant when you apply for a job as a data person for a consumer goods company. Focus on why you're a good choice for the company. Now let me walk you through a real example and show you what's done well. Our student here is a senior at Boston University. Her major is accounting and finance and she minored in statistics. She's applying for a JP Morgan audit analyst position through campus recruiting. So let's take a look at her first paragraph. Dear Sir or Madam, this letter is to express my interest in the audit analyst position at JP Morgan Chase, posted on Handshake. I'm currently a senior at Boston University with a concentration in accounting and finance and minoring in statistics. I believe that my academic background and prior experience make me a great candidate for this position. Now, I like this opening because it's simple and straightforward. It told you who she is, what position she's applying for, and why. Now, 2nd and 3rd paragraphs, which are the main body of your cover letter. At BU, I've taken a number of relevant classes such as accounting, audit, financial statement analysis, and etc. My statistics minor also allows me to be a proficient in statistical software such as SAS, Tableau, and Excel. I'm also on track to take the CPA exam this year. Last summer, I worked as a summer intern at China Minsheng Bank in Shanghai with the Risk Appetite, Framework, and Governance team. In addition to coordinating various risk committee meetings, I help collect draft risk reports from each risk division, conduct the first round of reviews, and compile the final meeting material. I also assisted with the production of Risk Management Effectiveness Summary, which provided me with a unique opportunity to work closely with the audit team and gain valuable insight into the risk audit process. So she told us about her relevant academic background, work experience, and also highlighted her opportunity to work closely with the audit team through which she gained insight into the field. That's a bonus point for this position. Now, last paragraph. With strong academic background, analytical skills, communication skills, and knowledge in audit, I will be able to add value to the audit analyst position immediately. In addition, I am a motivated self-starter and I enjoy challenging myself in order to learn and grow. I would love to have the opportunity to discuss with you about the position and my qualifications. I've attached a copy of my resume for your reference. Please feel free to contact me at email or call me at this number. Thank you for taking the time to review my credentials. I look forward to hearing from you. Now, I love how she ended her cover letter. The tone is very positive, it summarized the key message, and also provided her contact information, which is all you need for a cover letter. Lastly, many people ask me, do I need a cover letter for each job that I apply? The answer is yes. But I recommend developing one template for each type of job that you're applying for. This way, if say you're interested in a data analyst role or a risk management role, you can make your skills more aligned to those jobs and be able to emphasize on the different keywords this type of job typically look for. For every new position you apply within this field, you can customize the company name, position, and some of the specifics required. So here's a bonus point for you. If you have a cover letter, don't let it just sit in your cover letter folder. Extract the information and it can be used as a networking message. Let's use the cover letter we were looking at just now as an example. If our friend here wants to use that cover letter to tailor a networking message in order to talk to a BU alumni who works at an investment bank, how should she do it? Here's what I would do. Dear Joe, I found your information on LinkedIn and noticed that you're a Boston University alumni and an audit professional at JP Morgan. I am currently a senior at BU, majoring in finance and accounting. This past summer, I had the opportunity to intern with a major investment bank where I had the extensive opportunity to work with the audit team and gain valuable insight into the risk audit process. This confirmed my interest in audit, and I'm seeking to pursue a career in this field with a financial services firm. I would love to learn about your experience and get your advice on job search in the current environment, and I look forward to hearing from you. I would appreciate a 10 to 15 minute phone chat at your convenience. Thank you. See, I basically just extracted a few key points from her cover letter, and now it is a good networking message. It is personal. Not only did it explain her background, but it also clearly told the person who she was writing to about the purpose of the email and what she's trying to learn from that person. Okay, I hope you learned something about cover letter and networking message today. Please feel free to use my template discussed in the video or reach out to us for more information. I'm Heather, your career strategist and international student expert. Please subscribe to my channel for other job-related content. Thank you for watching.